Hello everyone! Today, we bring you a real-life English conversation at a restaurant between a waiter and a customer named William. In this short and engaging scene, you'll learn how to order food, talk to restaurant staff, and handle common situations politely and confidently, all in clear, practical English. Let's begin the conversation.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Urban Bite. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, I do not. But is there a table available for one?
Absolutely, sir. Please follow me. Here is a quiet spot by the window.
This is perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is the menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I will have a fresh lime soda. No sugar, please.
Got it. 1 lime soda with no sugar. I will be right back with your drink.
A few moments later.
Here you go, sir. Are you ready to place your order? Or would you like a few more minutes?
I have had a look. I will start with the creamy mushroom soup, and for the main course, I will have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Excellent choice. Would you like any sauce with the chicken? We have pepper, mushroom, or barbecue.
I will go with the mushroom sauce, please.
Certainly. Anything else?
That will be all for now, thank you.
All right. I will place your order. It should be ready in about 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Here is your soup to start with. Please be careful, it is hot.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
And here is your grilled chicken with mushroom sauce and mashed potatoes. Let me know if you need anything else.
Everything smells amazing. Thanks again.
I hope you enjoyed your meal, sir. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Certainly. I will bring it right away. Here is your bill, sir. You can pay here or at the counter, whichever you prefer.
I will pay here, and please keep the change.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Thank you for the great service.